You can definitely start monetizing your videos way before you hit the YouTube advertising requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You do not need that to start making money on YouTube. Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through 3 different ways that you can monetize one YouTube video even before you hit 1,000 subscribers. Hey, it's Brandy, and if we haven't met, I love making videos and nerding out about passive income, YouTube, and online course creation. And I know a lot of small YouTubers are looking forward to hitting their first 1,000 subscribers so they can finally monetize their channel with ads, but you don't need 1,000 subscribers to start monetizing your channel. And I'm going to show you how I've done this on a video with very few views, but it's still making me money. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how much I've made from a video with about 700 views on it, so not a whole lot. And yes, that video does have ads on it, but I'm going to give you 3 extra ways that you can monetize your videos. So we're going to do 1 ads and then plus 3 more that are not related to ads, which you can start doing today. And just to walk you through the example today, we're going to be looking at this video. So I'm going to show you how much I'm making in ad revenue, and then I'm going to go through and show you some other examples of how I'm making money on that video. Okay, so like I said, that video is monetized through ads. And so because I have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours annual on my channel, I was able to apply to be a YouTube partner. And what that means is basically YouTube gets advertisers to place ads on my videos. And no, I don't get to choose which ads are on my video. That is not up to me. But the advertisers place ads on my video. The advertisers then pay YouTube for having ads placed on my video. And then YouTube pays me out 55% of that amount. And if we look at how much I actually get paid for the video, it really depends on the audience demographics of who's watching it and the topic of the video itself. And so let's go into my computer. We're going to nerd out for a minute just over the analytics of this video, because this video in particular is getting a really high RPM, which means revenue per 1,000 monetized playbacks. I'm just going to put on my glasses and let's go over to my computer for just a minute here. So looking at my YouTube analytics, so we're inside of my YouTube studio, and inside here, I'm going to show you 2 different videos. So this here is the most popular video for the last 28 days on my channel. So this has the most amount of views on my channel. So this is a nerdy accounting tutorial, which is how my channel started out. It had 5,000 views on it and it earned my channel $28. So I'm pretty happy about that. But then when you go over and you look at this new video that I've posted, it's a tutorial about how to make an online course in Podia, which is a software system. It has only got 525 views, so way less than this video. So 5,000 versus 500. But if you look at the revenue number that this has made for my channel, it's actually more, which is just mind-blowing. All right, so this video, the general ledger video, got $28 for my channel, and this new one earned my channel $48 for the past 28 days, which is just insane. So it's not just about how many views that a video gets. You can still have like a small number of views, but the RPM, so the amount of revenue that the advertisers are willing to pay to YouTube, is substantially higher for this video. This is also a much longer video, so that there are ads actually during the video. This video here, it's a very short one. It's 3 minutes long. So there would just be ads at the very beginning of the video. So less opportunities for monetization for ads. All right, so now that we're done nerding out over YouTube analytics in my Creator Studio, we're gonna go on to ways that you can make revenue off of your channel even before you hit the ads requirements of having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 annual watch hours, okay? So number 2 is going to be affiliate revenue. So for this specific video example that we're talking about today, obviously I'm showing how to set up an online course in Podia, which is a software. And this software is where you can host online courses or sell digital products or whatever. And it's what I use personally to host my digital products and my online courses that I sell privately. And so what I've done is I've signed up to be an affiliate for Podia because obviously I use it, I like it, I teach online course creation, so then if any other course creators want to use it as well, I have tutorials on how to use it, and then they can sign up under my affiliate link. So what happens is I go and I sign up to be an affiliate for Podia because I like the product, and then when I talk about it or when I tell somebody about it, I give them my affiliate link. And they can just go sign up for Podia just by themselves, it's fine, but if they use my affiliate link, then I get a percentage of the sale. And the magical thing about this is the person signing up, they don't actually have to pay anything extra, but I get a commission for recommending the product to them. And what I did is at the beginning of this video where I was actually talking about Podia and how you sign up, I just was very honest and I said, you can just go sign up on your own, or if you want to, you can use my affiliate link and it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel because I will earn a small commission if you use my affiliate link. So just being really transparent that I do have an affiliate link for it and they can choose to use it or they don't have to. Now, what I want to say about affiliate marketing is, one, affiliate marketing is amazing because it doesn't actually have to be your own product that you're selling. You're just recommending things that you already use, but it does need to be in line with what your audience wants, what they need, and what the content is about. So for example, it wouldn't have made sense in this video if I was talking about setting up an online course, if all of a sudden I was talking about like what makeup I use or what software I use to grow my YouTube channel. Like those things are not in line with making an online course. So those things would not make sense for the viewers of that video. It makes complete sense for me to mention my affiliate link for Podia because the whole video is about Podia. So just make sure that it is in line with what your viewers are expecting from you. And for me personally, my favorite things to recommend are software. And the reason for this is, one, apparently I'm very good at making nerdy tutorial videos, which I mean, my YouTube video got to 23,000 subscribers just on nerdy tutorial videos. So that seems to be my niche here. So it makes sense for me to do tutorial videos on software as well. And the other reason I really like software for affiliate revenue is because it is a recurring revenue stream. But what it means is basically for a lot of software, they bill their customers every single month. So think about your Netflix subscription or your cell phone bill that gets billed every month, or the other million subscriptions that we have going on. Most software affiliate programs work that every single time the customer gets billed, the person gets the affiliate commission as well. So every time that Podia bills their customer, I get my affiliate commission. So I'm actually getting revenue every single month. So every time Podia gets paid, I also get paid. Number 3 is selling something that you already have for sale on your website or on your Etsy shop or wherever it is. And this one is pretty darn obvious, but if you have something for sale on your site that is completely in line with your video or the content you're creating and it will help your audience member, it doesn't hurt to mention it. You could either mention it explicitly in the video itself, or you could just link to it in the description, and people do read the descriptions of your videos, so they might go and click on the link and go buy it from your website. So in this specific video, I mentioned a product that really helps course creators just speed up the process and save a ton of time. So in the description of the video, then I link to a product on my website and people can go and choose to purchase it if they want to. I've also seen YouTubers like Jessica Stansbury. She's made whole videos on how to use digital planners, and she actually sells digital planners on her website. So there's a really good link between the content that she's creating and what she's selling on her website. So obviously in her video, she would like go through and show you how to use a digital planner and say like, hey, if you want to buy this one, I actually sell it on my site. The link is in the description. So again, just think outside the box and think about how the content you're creating can support what you're already selling on your existing website. And this one is going to be the bonus, number 4. You can actually tell people how they can work with you. So in this video, I actually didn't mention at all how people could work with me, but I did have an email inquiry pretty much as soon as I put up this video saying like, hey Brandy, can I hire you to help me with Podia? But you could take this one step further and actually mention explicitly how people can work with you in your videos. And I wouldn't do this on every single video that you're putting out, but once in a while, you can definitely mention this. And I think that you could do this in a very casual way or in a very explicit way. So I'm going to show you examples of both. So if I was creating a video on how to outline a course in Trello, which is the software program that I use to create my online course outlines, I could say while I'm showing in the tutorial of how to do this, like, hey, this process is actually really hard and it's where my students get stuck, which is why I actually walk them through this in my course creation program. Like I do this with them. I don't let them do this on their own because it is a really hard process to do on their own. So in that, I haven't actually said you can hire me to help you do this, but it is implied by that. They're like, okay, Brandy has a course creation program and she helps people outline their online courses. So they all of a sudden know that they can work with me. So it's very casual. If I wanted to do this in a really direct way, I could, again, if I was talking about like YouTube or course creation, I have courses in both of those areas. So if I was creating a course creation video, I could say, hey, and if you need help with this, you can always enroll in my online course about course creation and I will walk you through this process. And so that is much more explicitly telling you how you can work with me. And in this video here, I could say, hey, if you want to learn more about monetizing your YouTube videos and turning YouTube into a business, you can enroll in my YouTube course. And so that would be very, very direct, telling you how you can work with me further. And I wouldn't recommend saying how people can work with you in every single video, especially if you're doing this very blatantly. I have seen a lot of online marketers mention that your content is less likely to get shared if there is a sales pitch contained somewhere in it. So just be cautious of how often you're pitching your viewers and telling them how they can work with you. So you want some content that is just like very useful for them or very entertaining for them that doesn't contain any sales pitch at all. But then you can have a few videos where you actually say how people can work with you if they're interested, because some people will want to hire you and work with you more directly. And the other thing you can do is you could always put in your description of your videos, just like put your email for how people could get in touch with you for business inquiries, so that if they are interested in working with you, they have a way to reach you. All right, so all of this is to say that you can definitely start monetizing your videos way before you hit the YouTube advertising requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You do not need that to start making money on YouTube. So since I posted this video here about 2 months ago, I've made about $430 US on this video, and only about $50 of that is YouTube ad revenue. I'm gonna put the actual numbers here because I don't remember them exactly off the top of my head, but just so you guys have an idea of what I made for ad revenue and what I made from like affiliate revenue and people buying something from my website. So instead of concentrating just on growing your channel viewers and subscribers, concentrate on making impactful content that your viewers actually want to see and helping them with products that they actually need to do better in their lives. All right, that's it for this video. Let me know how you are planning to monetize your videos before you hit 1,000 subscribers, or if you're already at 1,000 subscribers, congratulations. And how are you going to use any of these strategies to monetize your videos further? Bye guys.